Raya, and today I'm going to be making a slime smoothie, 3 slimes. I know this one has 4, but I don't want to add these 3. Well, maybe 4 slimes. Okay, so the slimes I'm going to be adding, actually 4. I'm going to be adding this one. I'm going to be adding this gold slime. I'm going to be adding this slime and this slime. So let's get started. First, I'm just going to plant them. This one is the stretchiest out of all of them. Then I'm going to put this one. This one's the messiest. Then I'm going to play with this one. This one's the prettiest and not the stretchiest. Here they are real quick. Then I'm going to add this one.
The planter was left unattended. In small, disguising himself in the captain's clothes, he steamed away from the Charleston port. About an hour and a half later, he reached the first Confederate Navy checkpoint at Fort Sumter. He'd studied the captain's body language and knew the signals the sentry would be looking for.
Heck, really, eh? What y'all doing out here at this ungodly hour? What's the matter, Skipper? Can't catch your tongue?
Here we go.
Great orange spoon, I say. I really had a momentary mucus nugget lodged in my esophageal area.
I'm sorry to hear it, sir. My throat's been bothering me as well. Can I offer you a lozenge, sir?
Oh, no, don't trouble yourself.
Oh, it's no trouble at all. I'll hop in the ding and roll it out to you. Whole thing.
No, please, I insist.
Care flavored.
Not a fan.
I got honey lemon too.
Yeah,
You eucalyptus?
enough.
But, sir.
I hate lozenges, okay? Good days.
CSS planner. Clear for passage.
After he got past that checkpoint, he got to step 2 of his plan. A prearranged rendezvous with a bunch of other slaves and their family, including his wife and his son.
Really hard. But that
Thank you, Captain Railway.
Captain Raya, son, it's me, your daddy.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
With the slaves on board, Smalls got past 3 more checkpoints.
Here it is.
Then dawn broke. Smalls sailed north for the Union naval blockade just north of Charleston. But when the Union captain
I don't know
spotted
where
the
I'm gonna
Confederate gunship coming at him, he got a little trouble.
in this. But I think I'm going to sell slime. So if you want this slime, just sell. Just email me or something.
I told you to fly that shit up the flagpole.
I'm sorry, man. I'm really digging on this spread count right now.
Run out the mass, you idiot.
Come on, man. I've been sleeping on burlap all my life.
Now,
Man, get up under here.
I don't give a damn.
The Union ship saw the surrender sign and held their fire. Minutes later, the men, women, and children on the planet were free at last.
Congratulations. You're all free.
Thank you, sir. And in addition to our own freedom, I hope that the planter may be of some use to Uncle Abe to help the fight for those who left behind.
I love you, Captain Railway.
Giveaway.
Oh, right. What's wrong with that kid? He thought his dad was someone else just because he was wearing a hat?
Hey, listen, minimal disguise can be surprisingly
You want
effective.
this slime? Just call me
See this right here?
and I'll give you a free second
What?
slime.